Are you still dreaming about being financially free for life?
And do you want to make more money in a month than you did all of last year?
Because this is absolutely, totally possible. Imagine a week from today, just 1 week from today, being able to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 in a day on demand. And this is not just some false promises. I'm not here to hype you. We just want to share with you what we've done in the last couple of months, and we want to show you how you can do the same. We, between Dave and myself, we made over $500,000 in the last 2 months. And in this video, after we share with you what we have to share with you, you're literally going to be blown away by what you hear. And not only that, we're also going to be, at the end of the video, we're going to do live trading in front of your eyes. We're going to attempt to make, I don't know, $20,000, $30,000 in like half an hour. That's literally $1,000 a minute. So when I said you can make $1,000 to $5,000 in a day, I'm not kidding. I mean, it's totally real. Our clients that we have right now,
in our coaching program.
Yeah, in our coaching program, they're killing it. A lot of them are just killing it. My name is Yuri, this is my partner Dave. And now, what are we talking about? We're talking about binary options trading. We each are gonna tell a short little story how we got into binary trading and why. And then we're gonna share with you how we were able to create this kind of success and how you can basically copy and model us, okay? So I got into binary options about 3 months ago, so about the same time as Dave did actually.
Same time.
Yeah, we partnered up about 2 months ago. But I'm an internet marketer by trade, and I've been promoting a company back in April and May of this year. I've been promoting a company that I was fully invested into. I really resonated with their vision, and I invested all my finances and all my time into that and nothing else. So I was totally focused. And unfortunately, at the end of May, the company nosedived. And for like 3 months, I drained my resources, I drained my finances, and I was at a point where I was concerned about how am I going to pay my bills in September and October. I was literally concerned. And so I decided to create my own info product because I'm a marketer and I can teach, I had coaching clients in marketing as well. But I decided to launch my product, and then I started seeing my friends, my buddies, internet marketing buddies, started posting results of their binary options trading. And to me, binary options trading was just like gambling. I'm like, okay, what is this? But I kept seeing it for a couple months, then posting results. And they were just making a lot of money. I'm not going to name any names, but they were making a lot of money. So that piqued my interest. And that got me into one of the groups. And I learned how to trade. I met Dave there. And right now Dave's going to say his amazing story. It's actually pretty funny.
Yeah, so, okay. I'm naturally IT professional. That's where I started. I was getting roughly $100,000 a year. I lost my job. I was looking for a while to get a new job, couldn't find one. So I took a part-time job, in childcare. I was making about $3,000 a month. It was barely covering my expenses for the month. So I wanted to start a new life with my soon-to-be fiance. So I Googled how to make money fast. I came across binary options, and so I found a group, started with the group. I made a couple grand, and then I turned that couple grand into $12,000. The $12,000, I turned that to 40. Met Yuri, and from there we just snowballed. We made in one day we made, just sitting together in 2 hours, we made 170 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then from there, here we are staying today, $500,000 richer. So
the reason for such fast success, like how to make money fast. So when I'm saying you can make a week from now, you can make $1,000 in a day. We're totally being serious, because we made $170,000 in 2 hours, just sitting there and trading. The market was good. But the reason to our success is because we have a particular setup that we're using to trade with that gives us perfect setups. We modified it to our liking. We added a couple more indicators to it. I mean, that's all technicalities. You guys are all gonna see that. But we created something just now. We hired a developer, and he created a software that reads our setup and notifies us via text message and email whenever a perfect perfect trade is setting up. So every time there's a perfect trade setting up, we don't have to look at the charts. Every time it's setting up, it notifies us via text message and email, and we just jump on the computer, wait for the trade to be absolutely perfect for the timing, and take the trade. Guys, this is going to revolutionize this binary options trading as well as Forex. What we have right now, we just created the software, okay? We're super excited because the way we created over $500,000 in the last 2 months is simply by staring at the charts for hours and waiting for those setups to form, that's how everybody does it. Nobody expects anything better.
Our clients right now have an 80 to 90% win ratio, and us ourselves have a 90 to 100% win ratio.
Yeah.
And this is weekly to monthly basis, not daily basis. This is continuous profit.
Yeah, and the reason is it's our setup. Yeah. It's not like we're geniuses, because you and I, we've been doing it for like 3 months.
Yeah.
3 months, so you cannot become a trading genius in 3 months, right? You cannot learn everything about charts, everything there is about trading, right? So it's our setup that we're using. Now that we created software that basically notifies us every time a perfect trade is setting up, it's game over. Seriously, our clients are super excited about what's coming out. Not only that, what we also have coming out is Dave and I, when we get a notification that a perfect trade is setting up, it might take 5 to 20 minutes to actually wait out before you can take the trade, before we take the trade. And so when our clients receive these notifications, they actually have to be by a computer to see their charts. What we decided to do for our clients and ourselves is when we wait out for that perfect trade, we're going to send another text message to everybody when we're taking the trade. So basically, let's say you and I get a notification that a perfect trade is setting up. We would jump on the charts, wait out for the perfect timing to take the trade, and then we would send out another text message to all our clients saying, take Euro USD for 15-minute put right now.
Yeah.
Boom.
So you can just imagine you're sitting at a bar with your friends having a drink, and all of a sudden you get a text message from one of us saying, hey, take the trade, Euro USD 9877 for 15-minute put. Bam, 15 minutes later, you just won your drink money for the night, right? Or you're on the beach with your spouse, you guys are just relaxing, you get a text from us saying, take the trade, you just won your vacation money right there.
It is the fact that we're going to be, not only the system is going to notify everybody that a perfect trade is setting up, but the fact that Dave and I are going to send out a text message when to take and what to take. It's really convenient for a lot of our clients that have full-time jobs still. And let's say you're working at a job and you get a text message from us, take this trade now. You literally can take your phone and take that trade from your phone without looking at the charts, because him and I will have 90 to 100% win ratio. You can't go wrong with taking 10 trades a day from us. See what I'm saying? So that's going to be really cool.
And you would have made what you made that day working. So
or more.
You would have made your salary for the day just taking our trades.
What we want to do right now, like I promised, we're going to trade live in front of your eyes. We're going to share a screen. We're going to go someplace nice right now. I'm not sure where we're going to go, but we're going to find a nice place with Wi-Fi, and we're going to trade right in front of your eyes. Now, obviously, you're probably asking yourself, why are we sharing this with you? How can you get in with us on this? So after we are going to live trade in front of your eyes, we're going to prove to you that our setup works, and we're going to show you our 90% plus win ratio, okay? Once we do that, there's going to be a button under the video, and the next step to take would be to fill out an application to become one of our coaching clients. Yeah. And the reason we have an application process is because we don't want just everybody. We want people who are serious, people who are not gamblers, people who are disciplined, who can follow our lead, who can take the trades that we tell people to trade. And basically, there's going to be a certain amount of questions that you'll have to answer. Then our stuff, our setup is not for the world, obviously. We don't show our stuff to anyone. And the only people that we show this to is people who sign non-disclosure agreement. So as soon as you fill out the application, it'll be reviewed by one of us or our staff, and then you'll be sent a non-disclosure agreement to sign. Once you sign the non-disclosure agreement, you're gonna get a link to schedule yourself for a live demonstration webinar where we're gonna show you our setup that we use actually after you sign the non-disclosure agreement, and we're gonna show you how it works. We're gonna show you how perfect trades are setting up. We're going to show you the history. You're going to see everything that we do that nobody sees unless they sign a non-disclosure agreement. So it's very important that you fill out the application. Once you're approved, if you're approved, you'll sign the non-disclosure agreement, and then you'll attend one of our webinars where we're going to show you what we do. So that's basically it. And right now, let's go find a good place to trade.
All right. See you guys later.
See ya. Alright, as we promised that we're going to be trading live on this video, here we are. This is one of my small sessions. I just lost one $5 test trade. Here I took, this is Yuri by the way, here I took a couple, multiple trades. As you can see, I took the USD JPY, USD CHF, more USD JPY. I took some $100 trades, one $1,000 trade in the bottom, and I got 15 seconds to expiry. I forgot to turn on my camera when I took those trades. Sometimes it's kind of stressful when you need to take the trades that you forget to turn the camera on. But there you go, 2 seconds left to expiry. Boom, 100% win ratio. Every single one of them has won. And I'm going to show you one more trading session that I did right here. I got 30 seconds to expiry. I took some $200 trades and some $400 trades. Euro JPY, USD JPY, Japanese yen JPY. We were going to record all these that training that same day, but because it was a Friday, we couldn't do that because the market was not good. So we all went home and actually recorded our own little sessions at home while trading. So there you go, 5 seconds to expiry here. Whoops. There you go. Every single one of them has won. Oh, but except the first one, it was just a $5 trade or a $10 trade, whatever it was. But there you go. It was a $200 win. There you go. I got some. I got 4 $1,000 trades with 1760 payout and one $200 trade. I got different seconds: 5 seconds, 8 seconds, 10 seconds to expiry, and all of these are winners as well. I took some Euro GBP and I was re-entering, getting better prices. So there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4 wins, and that little $200 trade won. Boom, there you go. All right, so now we're gonna show you Dave's trading session. He's gonna take 3 trades live. Let's see. Okay, that's Dave's Boss Capital account. You can read above if you can. Maybe you can't. No, you can't. No, there it says, "Hello, David." It's kind of blurry. So there he took his first $5,000 trade. He's doing the 60-second method. We're going to show you all the methods once you're inside our group, but that's one of the 60-second methods. And Dave takes big trades only, 5,000 minimum. Boom, he is taking one more trade in just a second here. I'm telling you guys, how much you're going to make really depends on the trade size that you take. I mean, you can take $5 trade, or you can take $1,000 trade or $5,000 trade, and your payout is going to be very different. So on the $5,000 trade, the payout is $8,350. Now he's taking a third trade, and the first one is going to expire right now. So boom, he took the third trade, and as you can see, 1 second, it's going to show you right here in the bottom. He's going to scroll up right now. Boom, the first trade won, expired. He's going up, you see. It's kind of blurry. I don't know why his video is blurry. You can see on the bottom right, return 8,350. These are all three $5,000 trades. Look at that, 60-second trades, 3 60-second trades, and his profit is a little over $10,000, like 10,000 plus. Okay, so let's call it $10,000 in like 3 minutes of trading. That could be also a $100 win or a $1,000 win or $10 win, depends on your trade size. We teach you guys to all the new clients that we get, we teach them to go onto a demo, build their confidence, study our methods. It's not that hard. It's very, very simple actually. Study our methods, gain traders' confidence on demo account, and once you raise your confidence, it is very easy for you to actually go out and place bigger trades on the real account. So there you go. All 3 trades expired. All 3 wins. Again, another 100% win ratio. All right, there you go. Now this is our third partner, Julian, which we're going to introduce to you in just a minute. Julian, he's been trading binary options for about a year. He started before David or myself. We actually joined his group. We're gonna tell you about that in a minute. But here he took a bunch of $5,000 trades on Euro JPY, and he's got, if you look on top left, he's got 5 seconds to expiry, and his account right now is at 296,000. Boom, all trades expired, all win. You're gonna see his account balance go from 296,000 all the way up to 400 something, 422,000. So that was like a 20 or 30 minute trade. Obviously we cut out all the longevity, or we're not going to bore you for half an hour just looking at the time being expired, but you get the point. We take the trades, we took them live, we show you how it works. But instead of just sitting here and showing you all the success of all of our success, how good we are, what kind of win ratio we have, like we said, we have clients and they're getting massive success. I can literally show you hundreds of screenshots of our clients showing their win ratios, taking screenshots of their trades. Let me just take you real quick to our Facebook group. Right here. Oh, whoops. This right here. This is our Facebook group. Let me scroll up. You can scroll miles down our group. Our group is called Ouroboros Trading Network. As you can see, right now we have 214 members. These are all our clients. And let me show you what kind of results they have. I'm just going to take a minute to show you this. We teach binary mostly. We're going to get into Forex later, but some guys, they have a little Forex background, so sometimes they trade Forex as well. Boom. Took 4 trades in Forex, $1,100 profit in a day. Now, that's good for a start. I think so too. It's good for a start. Okay, Taylor, 17 wins, 0 losses on a Friday. That was yesterday. Oh my gosh. Taylor, you rock. Look at that. He didn't take big trades, but it's a live account, and he's feeling very excited right there. You see, he took some $20, $14, $30, $25 trades on 17-0. He probably made like $300 or $400. That's not a bad day, especially that actually morning. It's a Friday, okay? So another one, 9-3 on the demo account following the signal. So yeah, we have the signal software we told you about, and this guy just started with us maybe a couple of days ago. So yesterday he's practicing on demo just like we teach, and he has 9 wins, 3 losses, 1 tie. That's how we teach people to post their score. So you look at that. He's taking actually some pretty big trades. So 2 wins, 1 loss right here. 2 losses right here. All others are wins and 1 tie. That's not a bad day. If he had it on live account, that would be a really good day. He would make a lot of money. This is our buddy Aiden right here. He's been with us for some time. He took some trades right here. USD CHF, USD CHF, USD JPY, USD Canadian, Euro GBP. Profits 216, 291, 512, 15. 347, 838. So total profits for the day, I guess, is $8,343. That's not bad at all. That's actually not as good as David Nositra. He's our crazy trader. He trades like crazy. But first live trade, look at that. First, shout out to Stacy Blouse for talking me through it. Stacy, thank you for helping him. There you go. He took his very first trade on live account, and boom, he wins it by oh wow, by like 8 pips, 80 mini pips. That's a very good win. Alan, good job, 5-1. Look at that. That's some big trades. 5-1. So that's today, as you can. No, that was yesterday. 220. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades actually. No, you did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, 5-1. 6 trades total. My bad. So Taylor again, 15-3. I'll take it. Yep, I will take it too. Gena, okay, Gena just killed it. It was February 19th on Thursday. Gena did 32 wins, 1 loss for the day. some big trade amounts as well. Okay, guys, that's what we're talking about. Once you gain your trader's confidence, it might take you a week, maybe 2 weeks on a demo account, because demo account is the very same thing as a live account, except the money is fake, okay? Then you can come out to Unreal account and make a killing with it, okay? Just follow what we teach. There's another nice little profits on Forex demo, okay? Somebody's training on demo. That's good, good, good. Guys, I like it. Look at the amounts I put. Boom, 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 boom. 4-0. I love it. 100% win ratio. I love to see this, guys. Very good. Keep this going. Okay, quitting while ahead. Yep. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and 1. Guys, that's almost 95% win ratio. 7 and 2 after a quick morning session. Not bad for 28 minutes. I would think so too. That's like close to 80% win ratio. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-0. Early this AM. Good, Stacy, congratulations. You're taking it easy, but it's up to the trader really to decide how big they want to go. 4-0 win. Boom. I like to see that. Different trade amounts, but okay. 10-minute trades, our 10-minute strategy. There you go, guys. That's what I like to see. You practice on demo, you come out and kill it on a live account. Okay, some more trades, Let me see if I can find some new people. Quick short-term session. Looks like I'm getting better. Yes, Sonica, you actually rock. Sonica, another Sonica. I love these signals. I think everybody in the group loves these signals. They give out some really, really nice results. Okay, first day trading live, and I killed it. 20 wins, 6 losses. Most of the losses were stupid mistakes as well. Of course, buddy, your first day trading live, you are going to make some mistakes, but I would like you to make, Lawrence, those mistakes on the demo account. But still, you killed it. You probably made a couple $100 for the day. Not bad. Congratulations. Congratulations. Some trades which I took today. That was February 17th. Okay. Boom. Andron, you're doing good, bro. Only 2 losses. Whew. Nice. Nice, that's like about 80% win ratio. 3-1, signals only. Boom. He was going off of signals only. We have different trading methods. Guys, I can scroll miles down. 10-1. Look at that. Jericho, congratulations. You rock. You're taking it easy. That's good. Build your trader's confidence, then go out and kill it. Geez, I can be scrolling down and down. 4-0 entries on most recent GJ signal. Okay, perfect. 6-1 and 5, so 6 wins, 1 loss, 5 ties. Buddy, you're getting close, Alan. 6 bloody wins. All right, keep practicing, guys. Keep practicing. I love to see that. 900, boom. I like to see that. Long-term trades, signal videos, boom. Okay, guys. I don't want to keep going farther and farther into our Facebook group. As you can see, I can keep scrolling miles and miles down. 21-0. Woo! 20. Wow, that's David. That's another one of David's sessions. This guy, when he trades, he trades. Look at that. 12,000 profit, 2,000, 3,000, 2,000, $1,500, 4,000 profit. Oh, now he's trying out his Forex strategy. Now, Dave and I, mostly Dave, of course, we've been trying out something. Trying out one of our strategies that we use on binary options on Forex, and I don't know if I should say it, but Dave was trying it out on the demo account, of course. When we test a strategy in a different place or a different strategy, we test it out on demo. And in a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks or something, he brought a $5,000 demo account up to $5 million. Folks, $5,000 account up to $5 million. Now, income disclosure, you probably will never, no, I'm not going to say you probably will never, but that's not something to aim for. Dave is just, if you know Dave, you know he's a crazy trader. I mean, he knows his stuff, just like Julian and myself, and he really, really does it, okay? So anyway, right now in the next couple of minutes, I want to introduce Julian to you guys, our new partner, and we'll see you on the other side. Okay, so after you watched our trading videos, I hope you liked them. There was a few different sessions due to the market conditions. We want to introduce you our third partner, Julian. He's actually the guy who had a trading lab that David and I joined. We met him, we met each other, and then finally we decided to work together.
Alright, so before I got involved in binary options trading, and definitely before starting that group that both Yuri and David got involved in as well, I used to be an internet marketer. And as an internet marketer, well, I made some money, not a lot of money, and one of the things I wanted to share with you was that even though I depended on that for a lifestyle, there was actually a lot of challenge as well. And the biggest challenge of all was duplication. I know a lot of you out there, maybe even yourself, right? You're looking for options to make money online, and you've been evaluating what kind of things you can do. Maybe not just online, but you're looking into various things like, okay, there's internet marketing, there's MLM, there's real estate, and all kinds of stuff.
eBay business,
dropshipping, and one of the key issues here is like duplication.
Yeah.
When I started out, I wanted to do that because I thought, oh, you just need 3 steps. You need to find an offer, drive traffic, and collect the profits. It sounded so easy.
And then use swipe copy for emailing.
But we found out that doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
So a lot of it still involved like, oh, where we find the offer, how well we can write, and the worst thing of all is that we actually had to learn how to become a leader, to become good at the camera. All this talking about right now didn't come straight away.
Yeah.
It's not something that everyone can do.
Exactly. In fact, I'm a leader type personality. I had over 40 people working for me in the construction company. I jumped into internet marketing, and with as bright as I thought I was, I couldn't make anything for the first 6 or 7 months. And then after I figured out what exactly it takes to succeed, I made some money, and then I realized that I'm just selling air. I'm selling opportunity that teaches people how to sell opportunity.
And also, another thing that's 6 and 7 months. Because some people are really looking for a turnkey solution for their life. Maybe because their family is going through some financial situation. Maybe they desperately need to supplement, a family member who isn't able to continue a normal job. And 6 months, that's way too much time for someone to turn things around.
And 95% of people will never ever make any money online. That's our experience, building downlines and stuff.
We felt really bad actually continuing internet marketing because there's just the failure rate is just way too high.
Yeah.
And we didn't feel good.
So comparing it to what we have right now, binary options, where you don't have to sell, you don't have to recruit, you don't have to build downlines, build teams, build culture, do paid traffic, figure out HTML, figure out how to build the landing page. Binary options, where you don't have to do it, is just too easy compared to.
And I think all 3 of us can agree on one thing. All 3 of us can probably agree that it's something that is very easy. It's something that everyone can actually pick up. Just once you follow literally a series of steps, and on one simple platform, you don't have to go to multiple places. On just one spot, and we have a community that backs you up as well, and that makes things even better yet. All right, I think now what you're probably wondering, is that let's say if you're a fresh beginner, right? Maybe if you have trading experience, that's great, but you don't have to have any experience at all. And if you have no experience in trading, let's actually run through with them like how much time they need to get started.
Yeah, because you probably don't care how successful we are.
Exactly. Well, initially joining our group, we have members starting out fresh. This is not knowing anything to do with trading. They join our group, and it takes roughly a week to 2 weeks to learn all of our systems, strategies, methods. But now that we've introduced the Signal software that we've created, it takes them about 3 days to fully pick up on how to make profit in this business. And we're not talking about like 65-70% win ratios here. We're talking about 80 to 90% win ratios. These are beginners. That's something that trade gurus get. Our beginners are getting these scores, not just us.
It's some people in our group, like when we started 4 months ago, they were still kind of struggling to figure out what exactly is a perfect setup, when exactly is the best time to take the trade.
Even though majority was doing well, there was still like some people.
Once we launched our software, released it about 2 weeks ago to our group just exploded. All the people that were struggling are now in the green, and they're, if you go through our private Facebook group, we're gonna show it to you in the demonstration webinar. You'll see all the rant and people posting screenshots, posting testimonials, how excited everybody is about our stuff. So you want to show how the signals look? You actually get them straight to your phone via SMS. That's crazy. So.
All right, so these are just some of those results that, I mean, these are actually some of the signals that you actually get. I'm not sure you can see it.
About 50 of them a day.
All right, so it tells you like what kind of currencies to look at and what kind of time frames, and subsequently, you know, the training is going to tell you when you look at the charts when exactly to go in.
Yep. For example, we had a guy named Frederick join us on Monday, total newbie, never traded before, and on Tuesday or Wednesday, he was already posting screenshots on live account. Amazing results. I mean, his win ratio was through the roof. Our guy Mo, he had pretty decent success without the software. Once he got the software, he's almost consistently producing 100% win ratio. 100% win ratio. That's just.
And we have two other members, Sonica and Naveed. They're both killing it as well. 100% every single day. It's just this is nothing to fool around with.
Wait till you see the proof in our Facebook. We're gonna show it to you. So what do you want to do right now? You probably want to see exactly what we have, how it looks like, and everything. So we're gonna do a demonstration webinar for you. And to get into that, you need to click the link below the video. There's an application form. Fill out the application, submit it for approval. Then you're gonna fill out the non-disclosure agreement, because our stuff is very private. It's not for the world. So fill that out and submit it as well. And when you get approved, you're gonna receive an email with a link to webinar registration. And then you're gonna register for the webinar, pick a day that works for you, pick a time that works for you, and just attend the webinar, and we're gonna show you everything. We're gonna show you how the software works, we're gonna show you our template, our indicators, exactly the tools that we use and our clients use to just kill it.
And the best thing about this is that, you know, this is a perfect opportunity for you to actually take literally a test drive of what the system looks like.
Risk-free.
Risk-free.
No cost.
So let's not play any more games. Link below, and
we'll see you on the webinar.